What are you doing, Eggman?
Oh, hello, Knuckles. Oh, don't mind me. I'm just parsing this thing. You're what? What did you say you're doing? You heard me. I'm pirating this game, and nobody can stop me. I suggest you stop that right now.
Yeah, that's really a bad idea. Like, very bad.
This is gonna be entertaining.
Yeah, man, Lewis, just don't do that.
Now I'm gonna pirate in this game, and nobody's gonna stop me. Oh, you signed your death warrant, have you? Well then. Oh no. Guys, help me, please.
Nope. You caused this yourself. You have to deal with it.
Yep. Didn't say we didn't warn you. I banish you to the egg form. Don't you dare laugh at me. Oh, you little egg. Little piece. And he's gonna scream in 3, 2, 1. No, you mother, you little shit!